Want to customize your WooCommerce store and give it a personal touch? One simple but impactful change is modifying the Add to Cart button text. In this guide, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. Go to the Appearance in File Editor, then locate the functions.php file under your active theme. Scroll down to the bottom of the file and add the code. So for adding this code, all you need to do that copy and paste the code snippet below inside the functions.php file. Change the add to cart text like get it inside this code snippet to your liking. Afterward, click Update File button. This will update the button text for single product page. Thus, you can keep changing your button text by using this process according to your demand. Here is the difference between before changing and after changing. Additionally, you can rename Add to Cart button text by following the code snippet into the function.php file. You must ensure to rename Add to Cart text as choose inside the code snippet as per your requirements. Now paste that copied code snippet here. Now click on Update File to save it and let's visit the page to see the difference. Similarly, you can change Add to Cart text further by following this process. Now click on Update File for saving this. Here you can see the new Add to Cart text after making changes. Now let's learn how to change Add to Cart button text in WooCommerce with plugin. If coding is not your thing, then no worries. You can use a plugin like WooCommerce Custom Add to Cart button. To do this, go to the plugins, add new plugin, search for the plugin like Code Snippet, install, and activate it. Once activated, then navigate to its settings and customize the text as per your preference. For this, click on Add New and set the title here, like Add to Cart button text change code. But ensure that your on Functions.php tab and the Run Snippet Everywhere radio button is selected. Then click on Functions. Now copy code snippets from here and place that copied code snippets for changing Add to Cart button text for single product and shop pages inside the Functions.php box. After saving these changes, visit your WooCommerce shop and product pages to ensure the new button text appears correctly. However, if you want any further changes, you can retouch and set your Add to Cart button text here. Now click on Save Changes and see your customization. If you don't see the update, try clearing your site, refreshing your browser. Once you have added advanced functionalities to your store's Add to Cart button, now you can change this button color and text style. So for this, head to your WordPress admin panel, Appearance, Customize, and then click Additional CSS. At this point, you need to write CSS code to change background and border color to align with your brand. Paste the copied code snippet below and lastly, hit the Publish button on the top. Here is the difference after changing the appearance. Now, if you want to customize the button text style and font style along with font size, copy and paste that CSS code. Click on Publish button to save this. Now let's visit to view the appearance after customization what we have made so far. This is the way that you can change your add to cart button text. The importance of knowing this to change add to cart button text in WooCommerce to enhance your WordPress store's appeal and user experience. Thank you for staying with us.